Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. Today in this video, I'm going to talk all about Quota. Please don't skip the video. Watch the video to the end. Yeah, guys. Now I'm going to be talking all about Quota that's going on in our country, especially in Bangladesh. It's happening, right? And it's been running for a long time. And we all know that education is the backbone of a nation. So the thing I'm going to say is that where is the backbone of a nation in education? Where is it? And corruption is seen everywhere. We are being exploited. And we are really, really different of having a good job or government job with our real qualification. Just for quota and for not having priority in our country, a lot of students are giving up studies and eager to go to abroad anyway. And I think so many qualified, appropriate students have been trying to go to any other country at any cost. Why it happens in our country? What's happening in our country? And already, so many of them have been to the UK, America, Canada, and different types of country. And the thing I'm gonna make it clear is that what I'm trying to say is that if a student wants can go there, they never ever try to come back. So the question may arise is that what we are getting from our country. What does it all mean? As far as I'm concerned, that it just stands for we are just losing our golden students, golden citizen of golden country. Nothing else. So if it goes on like this, our education will definitely cut off in future. Definitely cut off. So quota, it's definitely increasing by leaps and bounds. So what I'm trying to say is that, and government should take immediate actions against it and need to get on with it. And yesterday, I got a piece of news about question paper. What I'm trying to say is that about the question paper of BCS exam have been published. I never ever thought it happens. Oh my gosh, what's happening in our country? You can't imagine. I actually can't imagine it happens too. If the question paper of BCS exam can be published, so what about others? They're also publishing it as well. They're also publishing like this. So can you think what will happen to us in future if it goes on? So, dear brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say is that please get up. Don't keep silent. And I got a news about some students of those who are struggling against quota, those who are running against quota on the street have been attacked by police. I don't think there is any worse news than it. I don't think. Hello, dear brothers and sisters. What I'm trying to say, no matter what, just a struggle for getting your priority in this country. It's our country. We have to do it. We have to work hard. We have to struggle to get our priority, to do something with our real qualification, to get a good job with our real qualification, not with quota. So, if it goes on like this, if we still remain silent, if we don't do anything against it, our education will definitely collapse and we will have to face problem head on in future. And many of us are really thinking that I don't need it. I don't need to struggle. I don't need to do anything against it. Yeah, I confess that you don't need. But one thing I can say, in future, any of your relative, any of your family member, any of your family will definitely face the problem head on. I promise. So please don't remain silent. What I'm trying to say is that only thing is if we really struggle against it to get our priority, if we really do something for it, I think doing something for getting our priority and patching out this problem, I mean quota problem, and struggling against it on the street and trying to do something can only offset the quota problem. Otherwise, I think it won't happen. So, dear brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say is that please, please get up to get your priority in this country. It's your country. It's our country. We have to get our priority. We have to get a good job like those who are getting with quota. You know, we are qualified. Many of us qualified, but we are not getting good job. We're not getting government job. So what's happening in our country? Why they're getting those who have quota? So we have to do something for it. We have to struggle. I'm even sweating right now. So dear brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say is that please try to do something. If we still remain silent, if we don't do anything for it, I think in future we'll have to face lots of problems. Our children will face problems. Our relatives or cousin, many of us will definitely face lots of problems. So dear brothers and sisters, what I'm trying to say is that hope you got to my point what I'm trying to say in this video, right? Please, if you think that it should be shared, this video should be shared, please share the video to brothers and sisters, every single person, colleague, cousin, and please share the video on your Facebook Messenger group, on WhatsApp group, everywhere you can. And please, if you really would like to inspire me, please give me a thumbs up, nothing else. And if you think that to get more video like this, please follow me on Facebook. And if you are really into watching video on YouTube as well, and if you have a habit of watching videos on YouTube, yeah, there you will get me as well. If you subscribe me, please do subscribe my YouTube channel as well. I don't want to make it more longer. Hope you got my point what I'm trying to say this time in this video, right? So dear brothers and sisters, I'm telling once again that please get up. Please get up. Don't still remain silent. Don't remain silent. Please get up. We have to do something for getting our priority in this country, and we have to do. I think doing something to get our priority can stave off the quota problem, can offset the quota problem. You know, many students have been working hard. Many students have been working hard to be BCS cadre in our country. But nowadays, we hear that the question paper of BCS exam also published. Oh my God, what's happening in our country? Okay, dear brothers and sisters, I don't want to make it more longer. Stay well and safe. Please take care of yourself and please pray 5 times. Don't forget to pray 5 times. And Allah Hafiz, because I'm sweating.